Hello, everyone. My name is David Winston, and I am a clinical herbalist and was fortunate enough to be one of the keynote speakers at the third Florida Herbal Conference. And this year is the 10th anniversary. Having been to so many herbal conferences and taught at so many herbal conferences for the last 40 some odd years, the Florida Herbal Conference was really unique. As I said, I was there in the third year and I was amazed at what an incredible job Emily and her team um, did putting together a conference literally only in its third year. And it was so well organized and it was so much fun and it was just incredible time. And so, obviously, in this year where things are quite different in the year of COVID, this is going to be an online conference, but I have no doubt that it's going to be just as well organized and a way for people to not only to learn, but to come together and find ways to create better connections with our herbal community. And so for all those reasons, I am thrilled to just have a moment to say hello to you.